Why do we believe this to be the best fishing lure for beginners? Let's start with it catches fish. From salt to fresh water, this lure works like a charm. Our go-to lures are Strike Pro Vibes, but most popular would be probably TT switch plates, with many colors to choose from. Now, when it comes to using this lure, there are only two things you need to know. Tie to the first hole if you're fishing up and down next to the logs or off your boat. And if you're casting out and retrieving, then hook it to the back of the lure. Second reason we believe it to be the best lure is for its casting distance. You can cast this thing so far and yet so accurate that it's ridiculous. When it comes to retrieves, you can do it one of two ways. Cast it out and retrieve it slowly along the bottom, or hop it along the bottom like this. So if you're looking to start lure fishing or you want to catch more fish, then give a plate a go. You will not regret it. It's been one of our most successful lures so far, and it has caught us more fish than any other lure. So good luck, give it a go. Don't forget to subscribe if you did like this video.